Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating topics in health, gut health. But before we dive in, let's start with the basics. What is gut health and why is it so important? Let's find out. So what is gut health? Simply put, gut health refers to the balance and functioning of the trillions of microorganisms living in your digestive system, known as the gut microbiome. This ecosystem plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even influences your mood and energy levels. Why is gut health so important? A healthy gut microbiome can boost your immune system, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even support mental health by producing neurotransmitters like serotonin. It's truly the foundation of overall well-being. But how do you know if your gut health needs attention? Common signs include bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, as well as fatigue, skin issues, or mood swings. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it might be time to focus on your gut health. So, what can you eat to support your gut health? Focus on fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. These contain probiotics that help populate your gut with beneficial bacteria. Other gut-friendly foods include fiber-rich fruits and veggies like apples, bananas, and leafy greens. Beyond food, there are lifestyle changes you can make to support your gut health. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, manage stress with meditation or yoga, and get enough sleep. Aim for 7 hours each night. Exercise regularly, as physical activity can improve gut motility and overall health. If you're looking to give your gut an extra boost, consider supplements like probiotics or prebiotics. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, while prebiotics feed the good bacteria you already have. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Let's make some delicious gut-friendly recipes. Try making your own sauerkraut by fermenting cabbage with salt and caraway seeds. Or, blend together a probiotic-rich smoothie with yogurt, banana, and spinach. These simple recipes can make a big difference in your gut health. Finally, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid when focusing on gut health. Don't overdo it with antibiotics or NSAIDs, as these can disrupt your gut microbiome. Limit processed foods and sugars, which can feed bad bacteria. And remember, everyone's gut is different. Find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Remember, taking care of your gut is a journey, and small changes can add up over time. Start with 1 or 2 tips from today's video and see how your body responds. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and insights.